My dear young aspirants of Meghalaya, today marks an important step in supporting the dreams of our youth. For many years, our representation in the civil services has declined, and Meghalaya has not seen an indigenous candidate enter the IAS since 2013. Today, we take a decisive step to change that with the launch of CM Inspire. Through this scheme, candidates who clear the prelims will receive 50,000 rupees and those who clear the mains will receive 1 lakh rupees, helping reduce the financial burden of preparation. This initiative is designed to empower meritorious candidates and encourage our youth to aim higher and serve the nation with dedication and pride. I encourage all eligible aspirants to apply through the Meghalaya Administrative Training Institute portal when applications open. To our young aspirants, believe in yourself. Stay committed to your goals and know that the government stands firmly with you on this journey. Khubor, Matela, and Jai Hind.